Hey y'all, witchy women. Y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G, Halloween edition. So today we have a fun witchy subscription. I don't know if it's witchy. It's an Ipsy bag, y'all. Who knows what's gonna be in here? Makeup and beauty. Hey, Miss Callie Cat. What are you doing, Callie Cat? Wanna say hi? Say hi. She's like, no, the window is open. I must see what is outside the window. So if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a makeup and beauty subscription. They have 3 different options, but one of which I think you have to be subscribed to one of the 2 other ways. I know it sounds complicated, but it's really not. So you have the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is what I get. You get it for $13 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee that they've added to all of them. You get to pick one of the 5 products that come in here. It can be anywhere from a deluxe sample to a full-size product. The second option you have is the Glam Bag Plus. It is $28 plus that $1.99 handling fee. You get to pick 3 of the 5 items, and then all 5 items will be full-size products. Or you have the Glam Bag X. Now that will replace either your base or plus subscription for the month. That comes 4 times a year, so every 3 months. You get 7 to 8 products. They are curated by a big celebrity. That's my chair. Thank you. You get to pick 3 of those products as well. So you also will get access to their store where you get big discounts on name brand products. So Ipsy is fun. Yes, I did downsize to just 1 Ipsy bag now instead of getting 2 each month like I was doing because I am trying to save some money. This little witch is going to go broke otherwise. So let's look inside and see what is in this month's subscription. And yes, I did consider getting my cat a witch hat, but I didn't think she'd keep it on, and I thought she'd probably be falling over trying to figure out what was going on. So I did not get Miss Callie Cat a little witch hat, although I think she'd be adorable in a little witch hat. What do you think? Yeah? Okay. So, inside, this is what I found. Look at the bag! Did I not pick the perfect outfit to go with this bag? Now, granted, it is purple on the zipper instead of the red I've got going on. But look at the spider web. I hope y'all can see that. It is super cute. It's black with that spider web on it. And let me undo this because it's wrapped. All those who do not like spiders, look away, because it does have a spider on the pull. Just keep in mind, it is not a real spider. It cannot bite you. All right. Haul-oween. October 2022. Ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month? Welcome to Ipsy's Haul-oween, where we've conjured up everything you need for frightfully flawless skin and ghoulishly glam looks. All in a bewitching bag design you voted for. Now, I didn't vote for the bag, but they did a good job. It's pretty cute. It actually says what my products are on the inside for once. That's good. The moment you've been waiting for. 5 new products valued at $50 or more or yours. Let's see, coming this November, our next celeb curated Glam Bag X drop is So Fuego, F-U-E-G-O. Sorry if I said that wrong. It's practically Billboard Latin Music Award worthy. Hint, hint, hint. Scan the code below and be the first to see the curated reveal on October 11th. Okay, so that was yesterday. Ooh, oh, okay. Let me go find out. I'll break it to you. All right, so apparently that word means fire in Spanish, and the Latino singer is Becky G. I have no idea who that is. I'm so sorry. Is that what they said? Yeah, Latin music. Billboard Latin music. I don't know who that is, but that's okay, because I'm sure the makeup will be great. So let's go on into what is in here. So right now I can see that I have the YC Collection Y02 Glow Brush with ultra soft wide bristles. This brush is ideal for applying shadow evenly and flawlessly with zero streaks or smudges. Tip, you can even use this brush to apply concealer too. It is a full-size product and it is worth $22. Ooh. That would be a big brush for concealer or even for eyes. I would use this for highlight because that's pretty big for concealer or eyeshadow on my eyes. But it is a cute little brush. Interesting. $22 value. All right, let's see what else is in here. Let's pull it all out. There are 4 products. Let's start with the little beady one. This is Jasmine Beauty Lip Lock Lipstick in Stay Cozy. It says lockdown color with luminosity with this high coverage lipstick in a rosy mauve shade. This satin finish stays smudge proof but doesn't dry out your lips thanks to its hydrating formula. Tip, apply all over your lips, then blot to blend and to ensure full coverage. This is a deluxe size sample. The MSRP on the full size version is $20. Jasmine Beauty. I don't know that I've heard of this brand. Y'all know I live under a rock half the time, so I don't hear of a lot of them. But I'm interested to try it. Just plain packaging, nothing super duper special in this. Ooh, all right. Oh yeah, that is smooth. Let's see. And it is definitely layerable. Blot it out, it said. What do y'all think? Oh, is it gonna have that old school smell to it? There's not enough of it. Okay, maybe it doesn't have any smell. This is Kapari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. You know I love a body butter. Oh, I cannot resist a body butter. Who doesn't want buttery soft skin? Thanks to this whipped body butter, your skin will be smoother than you've ever imagined without being greasy. It's packed with hydrating hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, and antioxidant-rich plant extract to deeply moisturize and help protect. The tip is apply on damp post-showered skin to lock that hydration even more. Well, I already knew that. I think I've said that on here before. Deluxe sample. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full-size version is $32. I am pretty sure it's going to be sealed, but I want to smell it. What are you doing, Callie? Goofy girl. Bouncing around like a kitten. Oh, it smells good. It's actually like a calming and invigorating scent at the same time, but it's a very soft scent. It's not harsh at all. I really like it. I'm trying to place the prickly pear and coconut. Yeah, it's the prickly pear, I think. Oh, I like it. Now she's playing in some paper. Oh, sometimes I wish I could just turn the camera around and you could see what she's doing. But that's a big ordeal, let me tell you. Taking it down and unplugging the microphone and taking it off the ring light. Whew, gracious, y'all, you have no idea. Anastasia Beverly Hills Deluxe Magic Touch Concealer in 2. Now, I'm pretty sure this is going to be too light for me, but I wanted to see how the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer formula was, because I've never actually had it. So they don't call it magic for nothing. The creamy, buildable formula can correct, brighten, and blur while still looking like skin. Swipe it directly under your eyes, over breakouts, or anywhere you want extra coverage. Then blend out with your fingers or beauty sponge. I normally use fingers on concealer. Tip: to cover a blemish, apply a dot directly in the center, then gently blend out just the edges. I have a hard time doing that, going around the edges and not getting on the very middle. I end up blotting it off. I'm not good at spot correction, but I'm good at spot adding. All right, so Anastasia Beverly Hills, great product. It is costly. This is the deluxe sample. The MSRP on a full-size version is $29. Full version is 12 milliliters. Let me see if I can see how much is in here. 0.06 fluid ounces, which is 1.25 milliliters. All right, so it is a good bit more. Let's see how the color is. Okay. They say concealer, like under your eyes, you really need to go like 1 to 2 colors lighter than your foundation, so that you're not just blaring your under eyes and actually making a bigger shadow. So yeah, I think that's pretty light for me, but I could always blend in a little bit of the color of my foundation so that it would, you know, make it a little darker. I mean, not too bad. Have y'all tried it before? What do y'all think of it? Or do you just like a drugstore concealer, which is sometimes what I do. Okay, last thing. This is First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty. This is the Fab Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask. Okay. So, like a vacuum for your skin, this detoxifying mask helps purge your pores of dirt, oil, and impurities in 10 minutes. Your skin will feel tighter and deeply purified. Tip: leave it on for 10 minutes until the mask is completely dry, whichever comes first. So if 10 minutes is completely dry, then take it off. If it dries faster than 10 minutes, you can take it off faster. Or if it's not completely dry at 10 minutes, leave it on longer. Deluxe sample. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of full-size version is $30. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's kind of gritty pink. Oh, I can't smell it. It's on that lotion. I don't think it has a smell. But what did y'all think of the Ipsy Glam Bag? The bag was cute. 5 products. Only one was full size, but I'm still happy with it for what, $14, $15 if you had a penny. So tax it probably would be. But we got the brush, the adorable bag. Oh dear. The lippy, the body butter, the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, and the Purifying Pore Mask. What do we think? I'm happy with it. I especially like the bag. I think it's cute. Alright, so tell me what you think of everything. If you've tried any of these products, if you like a different product, you know, what's your favorite concealer? What's your favorite body butter? What's your favorite lipstick? All that good stuff. Just put it below. I want to read it, everything. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. I'd really appreciate it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Don't forget to tip your creator. That's me. There are two ways to do that. You can use the super thanks, which is through YouTube, or you can buy me a cup of coffee. If you do that, I really do appreciate it. I'd love it if you give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Subscribing to my channel is free and a lot of fun. And don't forget that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day. Have a happy and safe Halloween, and God bless.